Today I'll walk you through how to change tabs layout in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your tab layout so you can enhance your note-taking experience. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote app. This is where all the magic happens, so make sure you have it ready on your device. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functions remain the same across versions. Once you have OneNote open, navigate to the page where you want to change the layout. This step is crucial because the layout settings will apply to the specific page you are currently viewing. Take a moment to find the right page. It's like choosing the canvas for your artwork. Now, look for the View tab in the top menu. This is where you'll find all the options related to how your notes are displayed. Click on View to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is similar to opening a toolbox. It holds all the tools you need to shape your workspace. Next, click on Tab Layout. This option will allow you to customize how your tabs are arranged. You'll see a few choices appear. Think of it as choosing between different styles of a book cover. Finally, select the layout that fits your preference between vertical and horizontal. Each layout has its own benefits, so choose the one that feels most comfortable for you. If you prefer a more compact view, the vertical layout might be your best bet. On the other hand, if you like to see more tabs at a glance, the horizontal layout could be ideal. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the tabs layout in OneNote. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how you organize your notes and access your information. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.